We need to obtain the derivative of y with respect to x whenever x and y are given in its parametric form. That means x and y are depending on the parameter t. So let's begin. So here we have our function x given as 2t divided by 1 plus t squared. And we have y given by 1 minus t squared divided by 1 plus t squared. What we'll do, we'll take the derivative of x with respect to t. That means we'll have to take derivative with respect to t of 2t divided by 1 plus t squared. So here we'll have to apply the quotient rule. So let's do that. So we have our denominator, which will be 1 plus t squared whole squared. In the numerator, we have 1 plus t squared. We'll start with the denominator expression, which is 1 plus t squared, and multiply it to derivative with respect to t of the numerator, that's 2t, minus the numerator 2t multiplied to derivative with respect to t of 1 plus t squared. So this gives us a 1 plus t squared multiplied to derivative of 2t with respect to t will be simply 2 minus 2t times derivative of 1 plus t squared will be 2t because derivative of 1 is 0 divided by 1 plus t squared whole squared. Now let's further simplify to obtain derivative of x with respect to t. So we have 2 plus 2t squared minus 2t times 2t will be 4t squared divided by 1 plus t squared whole squared. This will be equals to 2 minus 2t squared divided by 1 plus t squared whole squared. So that means we now have the value for derivative of x with respect to t. This was given by, so we'll take 2 as the common factor in the numerator, where 2 multiplied to 1 minus t squared whole divided by 1 plus t squared whole squared. We're going to label this as equation number 1. Now we will go back to y. Now here what we'll do, we'll take the derivative of y with respect to t. So that means we'll take the derivative with respect to t of 1 minus t squared divided by 1 plus t squared. Right. Let's apply the quotient rule. So here we will have in the denominator. So we'll start with the denominator, which is 1 plus t squared, and we will square it. Then in the numerator, we will have 1 plus t squared, the denominator, and multiply it to derivative with respect to t of the numerator, that's 1 minus t squared, minus 1 minus t squared. This will get multiplied to derivative with respect to t of 1 plus t squared. Right. This will be equals to, and we have 1 plus t squared multiplied to derivative of 1 with respect to t is 0, and derivative of 2t squared will be negative 2t, minus 1 minus t squared. This will get multiplied to derivative of 1 plus t squared will be 2t whole divided by 1 plus t squared whole squared. Let's simplify the numerator. So we have negative 2t multiplied to 1, so that's negative 2t. Then negative 2t plus t squared will be negative 2t cubed. Then we have 1 times 2t, so that's positive 2t, but we have a negative sign here. We'll have negative 2t. Then we have negative 2t cubed, so this will become positive 2t cubed. Whole thing divided by 1 plus t squared whole squared. So we can cancel out negative 2t cubed and positive 2t cubed. This gives us derivative of y with respect to t. This is equals to, so we have negative 2t minus 2t, so that's negative 4t whole divided by 1 plus t squared whole squared. So we have also obtained derivative of y with respect to t. Now what we'll do, in order to obtain derivative of y with respect to x, we will divide the 2 with 1. That means we will divide derivative of y with respect to t with derivative of x with respect to t. That means we have negative 4t divided by 1 plus t squared whole squared. This will get multiplied to 1 plus t squared whole squared divided by 2 times 1 minus t squared, which will be equals to, so this and this will factor out, and 2 times 2, So we have negative 2t here. So negative 2t divided by 1 minus t squared. So this is the value of derivative of y with respect to x. So we have our derivative of y with respect to x, which is coming out to be in a parametric form, but we can also get rid of this parameter t here by using the values of y and x. So here we have x equals to 2t over 1 plus t squared and y equals to 1 minus t squared over 1 plus t squared. So here, if we divide x with y, that means we have 2t, which is the value of x, over 1 plus t squared, and we're dividing with y. It's the same as multiplying it to the reciprocal of y, which will be 1 plus t squared over 1 minus t squared. So this will give us the value 2t divided by 1 minus t squared. So we have obtained that x over y is equivalent to 2t over 1 minus t squared. So here we have negative 2t over 1 minus t squared. So that means we can also express it as derivative of y with respect to x will be equals to negative of x over y. So our value of the derivative dy over dx could be either this or it could be this.